Hello and welcome to this, the last Trading the Trend of the year 2023. And what we'll do today is just have a look at how we set our trades up and how we, more importantly, manage our risk and what the results actually were of this year's Trading the Trend. So let's have a look, first of all, at our hypothetical £10,000 account and how we would have done had we traded all the setups this year. So basically, you can see here, this is the performance per month in a graphical display. Over 5 months, we lost some money, and we made money over 7 months. And as you can see here, on average, the gains are bigger than the losses, the monthly losses. And overall, our performance has been pretty lackluster until sort of July of this year, when it really started to pick up. And we did, at the end of the year, basically have a performance of being up by about 12.5%. The maximum drawdown during that whole phase from top to bottom was just above 6%. And you can see here, out of all the trades we did, we had 48% nearly losing trades, and we only had about 40% winning trades, and yet still we made 12.5% profit. And we had about 12% of trades which didn't make, or we couldn't get into, or which were stopped out at break even. So here you can see the profit and loss. As I said before, the profits are bigger than the losses, and these are the monthly returns here. And if I now dig into the numbers, you can see here that these are all the setups we've had over the year, long and short, all kinds of different asset classes. And what we really focus on is never risking more 2% than 2% of our overall capital that we have at stake. So here, for example, we start over with 10,000, then 2 trades didn't work out here, we didn't get into them. Then we made 402 profits, and now we have 10,402 as our capital, and we take 2% of risk off that number for the next trade, and so forth. And you can see here, when the account went down below 10,000, we still risked 2% of that number, now £9,988, and so forth. And you can see the progression of our trades here. What is also very important is that we always try to get our reward much bigger than our risk. So here, on average, we try to make nearly 3 times as much as we risk. Here, twice as much, 3 times as much, 10 times as much, etc., 4 times as much. So that's really important as well, that you try to get, on average, bigger gains than losers. And if you then, on average, also are right more often than not, you tend to make money. But as I said before, can you see here, we actually had more losing trades. We had 23 losing trades and only 19 winning trades, and yet we still ended up with 12.5% profit for the end of the year. Thank you very much for watching Trading the Trend with me, Axel Rudolph, and I look forward to seeing you again next year for more exciting trade setups.